Good morning, all of you. I hope you all are fit and fine. This is your maths class, and today is 28th October 2020, and the day is Wednesday. Kids, today you all will do your maths work in your maths workbook. Okay, so take out the page number 6767. In this page, you have to add these numbers together. Okay, and also you have to draw the pictures in front of the given numbers. Means यहाँ पे 5 दिया हुआ है, तो you all will draw any picture, any 5 pictures in front of 5. Okay, and here is 3, so you all will draw any 3 pictures in front of 3. Okay kids, you also can color it. Okay, now let's start addition. First of all, you all will find out the bigger number, and you have to keep the bigger number in your mind, which is 5. And for the smaller number, you all will take out your fingers. Here is 3, so you all will take out 3 fingers. Okay, and for the smaller number, you all will start counting afterwards 5. 5, 6, 7, 8 means whenever we add 5 and 3 together, we get 8. Okay, and in this 6 is the bigger number, so you all will keep 6 in your mind, and you will start counting after 6. 6, 7 means whenever we add 1 and 6 together, we get 7. Okay, so kids, you have to do these 3 additions also. Okay, this one is your classwork, and page number 6868 is your homework. So start your classwork now.